If you've ever wanted to make really crisp chamfers for furniture projects, you've probably tried all the common methods. The first way most people think to do this is to pull out a low angle block plane and try to work the corners down that way. You also might think to use a sanding block, a hand sander. And those methods are fine, but there's really nothing that controls the angle of the cut or how deeply it cuts. And so what I've turned to lately is using an oscillating belt sander. Now you do have to have a model with an angling table that has a miter slot, so you can use your miter gauge to guide the cut. That'll hold you at a perfect 90-degree angle. The table in turn can be beveled to your angle of choice, usually 45 degrees. Start with a really coarse grit, like a 50 or an 80 grit, and then just work up to finer grits from there. You'll find that this easily knocks off the material, and then it smooths out nicely as you progress through the grits. Even compared to a chop saw, this technique works really well. I've never taken it too far or removed more material than I wanted to. Another great thing about this chamfering technique is it works perfectly for through tenons. So if you build a lot of arts and crafts style furniture with through joinery, you definitely want to give this trick a try. Looks really nice, especially once that top coat goes on. Brings out the subtle highlights from these chamfers that really make for an attractive piece of furniture. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.